Hello everyone, Frank here again, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to draw Crag of the Creek. Initially we're gonna have this circle, but by no means his head is gonna be circular, so it's just to have a basis. So after drawing the circle, I want you to come to this point, coming from about the middle of the circle, and then you're gonna pull this line up. And I must ask you again, have you checked if you are subscribed to the channel? If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do it now, because your subscription is essential for the survival of this channel. So that's gonna be his hair, and well, we're going to do a half circle on the back. So from here, I'm going to draw his cheek. His face is going to be very much in the cowl art style. Just like Steven Universe, Star versus the Forces of Evil, Gravity Falls. So we're going to follow the same style. Alright, so this is the basis for the head. I'm erasing the circle so we get a clear picture of everything we're going to do from now on. Okay, so he's gonna have a very thin neck coming from here. And his body, his torso, is gonna be about half the size of his head. Like this, it's just a rectangle. His legs are gonna be really thin, and it's gonna be just two parallel lines. Now the other one, also two parallel lines, very thin and long. So this is the place where I'm going to put one of the hands. So it's going to be here. I'm just going to represent the place with the circle with an oval now. And then I'm going to connect the hand to the shoulder like I usually do. So I'm gonna do something similar with the other arm. I'm going to draw something like a pipe. That's an approximate size for his arm. And then with an oval, I'm just going to represent his hand for now. Okay, we don't need details at this point. So I'm gonna start drawing his staff. Please forgive me because I'm not gonna use a ruler for this one. I could, but I'm not going to. So it's natural that I'm going to mess it up a little. His staff is gonna be one of the legs of a table. So it doesn't have to be necessarily straight. So I'm drawing this line up to have a reference to know where the diamond's going. Okay, so there's gonna be this circle first, everything very central. There's gonna be a cube on top of the circle. You don't have to draw the whole cube. And then there is a diamond. So let's try to make it three-dimensional as much as possible. Like this. It's just not big enough, so give me a second. Alright, so now let's go to his feet, which are just going to be a few lines. Nothing complicated. So the other foot is going to be in the opposite direction. Now working on the face, as usual, we have to divide it in the middle to make things easier. So this horizontal line is going to tell me where some elements of the face are going to be, like the nose and sometimes the eyes. Every character needs a different reference. In this case, it's going to be the initial point for the eye. The eye is going to be a big oval. There is a very short distance between them, so take a look. I'm trying to make them symmetrical, with the same size at least. And an oval on the inside. So that's where the nose is going, exactly under the line. So we're going to make 3 half circles. This is now the upper lip. It's just going to be a little curve. And the mouth, which is very characteristic. It's gonna look a bit like a sausage. And then we draw the lower lip, which is another curve. Let's go to the eyebrows. Not very far from the eyes. And let's start sketching the curve for the hair. And at this point we connect it to the ear. Little tongue. For his shirt collar, I'm going to start with the letter V under his neck, and I'm going to draw 2 lines around. That's going to be the strap going over his body. And his bag. So let's start drawing a bit of a belly right here. Now let's work on some more details for the arms and hands. Okay, now that we get to the first hand, I'm going to start with the thumb, which is usually the most important finger, and I'm gonna pull the others from this curve over here. Craig is one of these funny characters with 5 fingers, not very common. So the other hand, I'm going to make like a line G, a line letter G for the thumb. And around his staff, I'm going to pull the other fingers, which are gonna follow the same pattern, one behind the other, like this. Okay. Very well. So I think our sketch is basically done. Let me just revise if I haven't forgotten anything. I think it's okay. Now it's time to get a thicker marker and do the external lines. So like I said, I messed up this stuff. but it's okay. You might ask yourselves why I usually do this, like using a thicker marker for the external lines and then a thinner one for the internal lines. There's no special reason, I just think it looks a lot better like this. But do as you like. Do your own thing. Alright, that's it. Craig is ready. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and you can explore the channel so you can find something else you like. I hope you stay with us a little longer, and I'll be expecting you guys for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.